Okay, here we go. Go ahead and cross out the level 4 problem at the top of that paper if you're using the worksheet, and go ahead and write this one. This is a true level 4. So now if we look at this, something about it is it's not set equal to 0. So we've got to figure that out. So I've got to keep my x squared term positive. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. And when I do that, I end up getting 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, second step, do I have a GCF? No, I don't have a variable in both of them, and this 5 is messing up the fact that we have 2 6's there. Okay, so then what I've got to do is I've got to use my area model, and this is harder because we have a number out here. So we've got some things we have to consider. So let's go ahead and try that. The truth of the matter is you may end up trying something wrong to begin with. Oh well, right? You go back to the drawing board and you see if you can figure it out. And I'll show you what that would look like. So I'm going to put this term in this box right here. This term goes here. Now don't forget, we still have to figure out what the diagonal multiplies to, because that's going to be the same diagonal here. So 6 times negative 6 is going to be negative 36. So it's going to multiply to negative 36x squared. Okay, and then don't forget, it's going to add to whatever is that middle term. So it's also going to add to positive 5x. Oops, I'm sorry. It's going to add to negative 5x. So then I look at this and I start to think about it, and I think of the things that multiply to give me 36, and I'm like, oh, okay, what's going to work here? So I'm going to think of all those things. So negative 1x and 36x, negative 36x and 1x. Let's see, negative 6x and 6x, and then vice versa, obviously. None of those are adding to negative 5 yet, right? So what about negative 12x and 3x? And then negative 3x and 12x. Okay, we're still not getting it. I think I might get my calculator out. Clearly, I am not seeing this. So let's see, what else? Does 4 go into 36? 4 does. Ooh, there we go. So we get negative 4x and 9x, and negative 9x and 4x. Okay, so we need what multiplies to negative 5x. There we have it. See how it can be hard to find the number sometimes? Oh well, okay. So now I'm going to look at this and I'm going to say, okay, does it make sense for me to have one of those here more than the other? You know, you might try wrong and it doesn't matter. It might be harder for you to see the GCF. Oh well, then you just try something else. I think what I'm going to do is put the negative 9x here and the positive 4x here, and I'm going to see how that goes. So when I do that, I notice here, well, there's multiple things that would give me 6x squared, so I might not want to start with that. Instead, what I might want to actually think about is ignoring this bottom row and thinking about my GCF. So what's my GCF of 6x squared and negative 9x? Well, definitely an x, and then the other thing I can take out is a 3. So if I take out a 3x here, what would be left up here? A 2x. So I could have gone 1x and 6x, but that wouldn't have worked. So instead, I'm going to now go 3x. Okay, what can I take? If I take a 3x out of this, I end up having a negative 3. And then I took a 2x out of this, so what do I have left? I have a positive 2. And does that work for my final box? Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. It works. Okay, so I'm going to bring down that, and I'm going to go ahead and solve it. So now I'm substituting in my dimensions because I need to be able to solve this equation. So 3x plus 2, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, then I can go ahead and set each of these equations equal to 0 and solve. So I'm going to look at this. Remember, we always want to undo addition and subtraction before division and multiplication. Minus 2, 3x equals negative 2. And to undo this multiplication, I'm going to divide, 3. And I end up getting x equals negative 2/3. There's one answer.